The Rule of 72 is a simple financial formula used to estimate the time it takes for an investment to double in value. It is based on the principle of compound interest, which means that you earn interest not only on your initial investment but also on the interest you earn. The formula is as follows. Number of years to double equals 72 divided by interest rate. For example, if you have an investment that earns an annual interest rate of 8%, you can use the Rule of 72 to estimate how long it will take for your investment to double. Number of years to double equals 72 divided by 8 equals 9 years. So, with an annual interest rate of 8%, your investment will double in approximately 9 years. It's important to note that the Rule of 72 is a rough estimate and should not be used as a substitute for careful financial planning. It assumes a constant interest rate and does not take into account factors such as taxes or inflation that can impact your investment returns. However, the Rule of 72 is a useful tool for quickly estimating the potential growth of an investment and comparing different investment options. For example, if you are comparing two investments with different interest rates, you can use the Rule of 72 to see which one will double in value faster. Let's say you have option A with an interest rate of 6% and option B with an interest rate of 10%. Using the Rule of 72. Number of years to double for option A equals 72 divided by 6 equals 12 years. Number of years to double for option B equals 72 divided by 10 equals 7.2 years. From this calculation, you can see that option B will double in value faster than option A. In addition, the Rule of 72 can also help you set financial goals and make investment decisions. For example, if you want to double your investment in 5 years, you can use the Rule of 72 to calculate the required interest rate. Interest rate needed to double in 5 years equals 72 divided by 5 equals 14.4%. Therefore, you need to find an investment option that offers an annual interest rate of at least 14.4% to achieve your goal of doubling your investment in 5 years. Overall, the Rule of 72 is a simple yet powerful tool for estimating the time it takes for an investment to double in value. It can help you make informed financial decisions and set realistic investment goals.